Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about what is bile. Bile is a digestive juice or digestive fluid which is produced by liver. So, liver produces bile juice or digestive fluid. So, this will be stored in the gallbladder after produced by the liver. So, what is bile composed of? Bile is composed of bile acids, salts, phospholipids, cholesterol, pigments, bilirubin, biliverdin. So this can be asked as a bit. Uh, Bile juice contains which pigments, or can be asked as bilirubin, biliverdin are the pigments present in which digestive fluid. So bile is composed of bile acids, salts, and phospholipids, cholesterol, pigments called bilirubin, biliverdin, and bile is 95% water and electrolytes. Next, bile does not contain any digestive enzymes. Bile juice is a digestive fluid. It does not contain any digestive enzymes. It is a fluid. So, the pH of the bile is slightly alkaline. Bile is alkaline in nature. So its pH is like 7 to 8. Bile is transported into the duodenum through the hepatopancreatic duct. Bile is produced by the liver and is stored in the gallbladder. Like mainly, what is the function of the bile juice? Digestion of the fats. Digestion of the fats means emulsification of the fats. Bile juice helps in the breakdown of the large fat molecules, large fat substance into small droplets or small globules. So uh, bile juice is mainly concerned with the emulsification of the fats. So when food enters the stomach, and from there it will enters duodenum, and from there small intestine. So when food is about to enter the small intestine, so bile is transported into the duodenum through hepatopancreatic duct. What is hepatopancreatic duct? Hepato means the duct which is coming from the liver. Pancreatic duct means which is coming from pancreas. Both the ducts, hepatoduct and pancreatic duct, they'll join together like this, and this is the common duct for both. The hepato means liver, which is coming from the liver. Uh, Pancreatic means which is the duct coming from the pancreas. So this is the hepatopancreatic duct. So bile juice will be produced by the liver and it will be stored in the gallbladder. When food enters into the small intestine, the bile juice travels through this hepatoduct, and pancreas also secretes some digestive enzymes. These enzymes will come to through this pancreatic duct. Both will combine in this hepatopancreatic duct. This is the common duct for both the pancreas and liver. So that is, it is called as the hepatopancreatic duct. You got my point? Bile is produced by the liver and it will be stored in the gallbladder. So when bile juice is needed for digestion, or when there is a like to break down fats into small intestine, fats emulsification will takes place. So when we take food and that food enters through passes through our alimentary canal, and from stomach it will goes into small intestine. So when food enters into the small intestine, this bile is transported into the duodenum through hepatopancreatic duct. Next, role of bile in digestion. What is the role of bile in digestion? What is the function of this bile in digestion? This bile converts main. What is the role of bile anangane? Emulsification of the fats, main role. Emulsification ante enti? Converting large fats into small fat droplets. Big fat molecules we will eat na, so those they cannot be digested in the stomach. When food travels into the small intestine, in the small intestine, breakdown of those large fats into small fat droplets will take place. That is called as the emulsification of the fats. Fat emulsification aims to increase the surface area of the fats by grouping them into small clusters. So when you break down large fat molecules into small fat droplets, what will happen? Surface area of the fats will increase. So actual digestion of the fats is done by the lipase enzyme. So I already said that from pancreas, some digestive enzymes will be secreted. Those enzymes will also be uh, travels along with the bile juice through this hepatopancreatic duct. So what are those pancreatic enzymes? Lipase is one of the enzymes for fat digestion, mainly for the, so emulsification. Only bile helps in the emulsification of the fats only. That is, emulsification means breaking down of the fats into small droplets or globules, we can call it. So actual digestion of the fats is done by the lipase enzyme. Lipase is the enzyme which is very important for fat digestion. This lipase enzyme is secreted by pancreas. You got my point? Actual digestion of the fats is done by lipase, an enzyme from the pancreas. And we can conclude now, bile after secretion by the liver is stored in the gallbladder, and then when food enters the small intestine, bile simultaneously is transported to the small intestine through the hepatopancreatic duct along with the pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice contains enzyme called lipase, which is very important for the actual or complete digestion of the fats. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video will be helpful to you.